it's raining. That's why we decided to, nag-decide kami na i-assemble yung drawer ni baby para sa mga damit niya. Tawag nila dito biro. Ito yung room ni baby. Ito yung magiging room niya. Ito yung gamit ko na dadalhin sa hospital. Diyan pa nakakalat, my God. Yung damit ni baby, kailangan ko yan i-organize dun sa nabili naming drawer. Tapos yan, binili yan ni Christopher. Bago lang yan binili. Tsaka yan. Itong place na ito, malapit ito dito sa amin. Tourist spot siya. Tsaka yan, same place. So, yeah, this is the kullen. Ang tawag dito sa biro na to, kullen. You called it in English like drawers, right?
Yeah.
Drawers. It's not a cabinet. This is the cabinet.
Yeah.
Garderobe.
There is 2 packages, 1 and 2.
Yeah, this is
Kullen.
1 and 2.
And that's 70 wide, 112 high. And it's supposed to be here, right?
Yeah,
Because the baby bed.
will be there.
Yeah.
So Christopher will fix this lamp. This is only like temporary. So we're gonna open the box.
We can change room.
We're gonna do the assemble the drawer here. This is like extra guest room. That is stock room right now. But we will fix this later. Because I think me and the baby we're planning to sleep here. If Christopher is working, we don't want Christopher to be disturbed. He's gonna hear Wait, a lot of screw. What's that? Holes for the screw.
And where is the
Instruction.
maybe here in the box.
I need to set up this camera. There. There. What's that? Screws. Plastics.
Something. And then this.
Maybe we can post like a picture. Like here. Like on the side. If I'm gonna edit the
Okay, here is
screws.
screws.
But where is the instruction lab?
Let's see.
There.
Here.
So this is the name of the drawer, kullen.
Okay, let's pause and review this.
And it needs screw machine, and then what else, lab? Screw machine,
Screwdriver, flathead, and then Phillips.
So this
But
is
I think the screwdriver is only for mounting it in the wall.
on the wall. Yeah.
So it will not tip over.
But are you gonna mount it in the on the wall?
Let's see. Let's see how stable it feels.
Yeah. Maybe the floor is even, no need.
No.
There.
No, there is assembly here. 1. It says 1 there.
Yeah. Those are the screws.
We will put in the plastic things here in the slots there.
Oh my god. A lot.
So you don't want to do this by hand, I think. Better use machine, right?
Yeah. We have 10 pieces of this plastic lab. 10 pieces of this.
Let's see.
This is not easy.
No. So you buy from IKEA and then you need to.
Oh, I hope I hope. I think they're selling this in Philippines too.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
3 more. And then in the other package, in package number 2, it's the same thing again.
I can hear something like a boat that is driving. Jumper from the waves, I think. I think I cannot do that alone. That's not easy.
It would be more fun if you do everything.
Yeah, but nah.
What?
I cannot do now in my situation.
And we need screws. Oops.
Maybe you will screw the what's that? The bed, the foam. I mean. How did you know that's the right screw you're using right now?
It's because there's a picture there.
Ah, okay. What's that? The measurement. Duktig. Christopher is so good. I think most of the Swedish is really good of what's that? Building their own furniture. Do you what do you call this? Yeah, it's a furniture, right?
No.
Yeah, because I think it's easy for you here in Sweden because you have things. You have screw machine. You have a lot of machine. So you can do it by yourself. It's not the same in Philippines. We need to buy.
Oh.
And it's not really cheap. It costs a lot of money, and then it's more cheaper if we will like hire someone to build something for us. I think so.
Labor is
Yeah.
cheap.
And then here in Sweden the labor is really expensive, so it's better to do it by yourself.
So we will do this in the other one, in the other package.
Yeah. So you will not okay.
So we can stop and then we do the other one.
So this is the second box. So Christopher is opening the second box.
We are searching this one, the second
The
piece.
second one, yeah. You need knife. No. That's a different. Maybe the second one is there, lab. It's in the what's that?
Okay.
The bottom. Huh?
Let's check.
Oh my God! It's when I'm looking. Feels like it's so complicated.
Here is the.
That's the
We are
second.
searching the second piece. pieces.
Mm.
This one, we're searching this one. We will repeat the process.
Repeat, yeah, the process.
Put in the plastic.
We're gonna do the same. Put the plastic, screw the plastic.
You can stop there.
Put the plastic inside the hole.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's hard, little hard. Because I think the holes are...
They are tight.
Yeah, they're tight. And then it's like, oh, okay. Now, it's done.
Yeah, but you're not all the way.
Now?
Yeah, I can do it. It's not easy in the bed.
It's not? It looks like... Ah, here, this one. Nah, you can do it. So...
Step 1 is complete. We put the plastic things for the drawers. Step 2. We need to put 8 of those. Then you need, in IKEA furniture, you need to observe the picture. Because that hole there, it's this hole. And then this one needs to go in the second hole to the right.
That one? What do you mean?
This hole here.
Oh.
It's a lot of hole here, right?
Yeah, but
So
only
you need-
only 8 pieces.
Yeah, but you need to put them in the right hole.
Yeah.
So if we do like this, it's according to the drawing, right? And we put this one in the second there.
Oh, okay.
And then there, it's those holes.
Small holes.
Yeah. Maybe I was wrong here, but those will probably not fit in the big hole. But still, you need to know, look in the picture where what is what. This one's.
Show them. Okay.
It looks like this, right?
Yeah. You need to screw.
Yeah. And then we start here.
But I think you can do it without the screw, right?
Machine.
Manually, yeah, screw machine. You can do it manually, but it takes time.
Yeah.
It's better to have a screw machine. So, yeah. But those are big holes.
Yeah.
Hold
3
still.
in that one. Then 1 here.
Yeah, one there.
And 1 here. Then we're gonna repeat that in the other piece.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Only 4.
I like to not go all the way with the machine so I can feel it at least.
Usually, Christopher is doing
So it's
by manually.
so it's not over tight and it
after
will
it,
break. Okay.
So,
Yep. Let's repeat in the other one.
okay. Okay.
We noticed that you cannot do wrong here, so just put them in the small
Holes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You come here, film here.
So, we're going to do the step 3.
Yeah, we need to put 18 of those inside all the hole. And here this one has, it looks like 2 hole, and we need to put it in
Only
the
one.
lower.
Yeah.
The other one is 2. Maybe it's these guys. Yeah.
Ah, here.
So here we need to put, this is the big one. And also, it has only one hole is fitting, so you cannot do wrong there, which is good. Like that.
Okay, I'm gonna help Christopher.
Yeah.
So we are done with in the what's that? Step 3.
Yeah, step 4.
Now, step 4.
You're going to put the big one, and then all of the 4 pieces in one of those, in the long side. And then again, step 7, we do that later. We will slide it.
One
like
at a
this.
time, love.
Yeah. 4 and 5 first.
Okay.
So we bring this and yeah.
So,
Jag ska hämta den andra.
now. So we're going to do the
4,
4th and then 5th,
5.
yeah.
And then you need to look in which side you're gonna put, and the direction, the big holes is there. So we're like that.
You just need to follow, guys, the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not easy. It's really not easy. It's confusing.
Yeah. And this one. So. Something like that.
Okay.
And then we just follow.
Amazing, guys. It's only like the screw is like a wood.
No, wood plug.
No, that's not there.
Oh yeah, we are skipping one.
Skipping one because I don't know what is the plan of IKEA. And we will find out.
So then we did 4 and 5.
So we did this.
Yeah, step 6.
Then step 6.
We need to put in wood plugs again in these pieces and slide it, but we will do that first. Let's go there.
Yeah.
This is
So
step 6. We are searching what is what, but we are guessing this is the back side. And then there is no paint here. And then there is a hole there. So there is a hole there, there. So we assume it's like that.
there's
And
another
then,
boards there, love, maybe.
yeah, but we are still in package 1.
Okay.
And then this one, we assume it's this one. So let's put 14 plugs.
Show them what you're gonna put. How
plug.
you will put inside.
Just like this. Put it in the
Okay.
hole.
And then these 2.
Yeah?
And then these 2 on the sides.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. We put it already. Yes, and then we leave 1 hole each.
Yeah, we plug in the outer hole according to the picture.
And then this one, you put it already. Yeah.
Here. Then step 7 is we need to slide it over.
So we're gonna go to the
Go in
other
the
room.
change room. Kan du ta den?
Step 7.
We're going to slide. Ska vi se här.
That's why there's a hole, another hole, because the screw will go in there.
Yeah.
It's not easy. So yeah.
So.
So I can imagine now little. This is the back.
This is the back.
Yeah. That's why there is no paint.
Yeah. Save. And then this one. So.
So we
And
are
then-
done in the
No, this one. This one.
the other one.
In the last. Let's see,
This?
it's opposite. So it's here. What the hell?
What? So we did wrong.
No,
Huh?
we didn't do wrong.
We did wrong, but we need to put there this one.
Yeah. And then
I thought we
I
were
guess
wrong.
it's in this direction, I guess.
Mm.
So,
So wow.
this looks tricky now. A lot of loose stuff.
So next, where's the 8? So
Step
that's the
8.
step 8.
We need to lift
So
the,
guys, did you see
a girl.
a girl and a woman and a man? So what does it mean? We should help each other.
Okay, so step 8, we will lift it over. Then we
Okay.
need to line up all of the holes and push it together.
Okay.
This can be tricky because it's a lot of loose and it's leaning and stuff. It's easy to break if you do wrong. Okay, let's do that. Maybe we can time lapse.
So let's show them what we did. This is step 8.
Yeah.
So next step 9. Where is 9?
9
There.
here. We need to use like a locking screw that will go in the holes.
Which
That
holes?
is in the backside. Here.
These 3 big holes.
Yeah, because we put the thing right inside, so there's a screw there.
Yeah.
So it's 6 here, plus the 2 inside. That one that we put inside.
So what is the purpose of that? Just to lock
It
it
will
up.
be tight.
Yeah, tight. Yeah.
Lock tight up. Yeah, we will do that first. We will get the stuff and find the stuff. There's 2 versions. We need some of the, let's see the difference.
103
Yeah.
430.
Stoppa.
Okay, there are 2 sizes of this. This is the big ones, and then where's the small one, love?
This is small.
This is the small.
I think it's the big. That looks bigger, right?
Yeah,
so we
yeah,
should
yeah.
have the bigger. Let's try.
So should do like that.
Yeah, it's fitting.
Yep.
And then it's like
Screw
that.
with it. Screw with it. Screw in.
Screw in and lock.
Screw in and lock.
Repeat 8 times.
Yeah. And this time you cannot use the screw machine.
Yeah, better.
Better manual.
Yeah.
And then it's not so deep. So it's okay to make it manually.
So, and then 2 inside.
So the 2 screws
inside here.
Wait. I cannot see. Ah, there. And then the other one is up there.
So,
Then the next step is
Step 10.
step 10.
We need to flip it over so the buck is down. Then we need to put 2 long screw in there. Now I can lift it because we screw it. But it's still not super. Okej, ska vi hämta dem? 2 stycken sådana.
So
2 of these. And then
and what is that?
that's the next step. Then they include the,
A small
is it Allen key?
I don't know. What do you call that?
So,
put in
step
the
11, put the
feet.
feet.
And then they're using a hammer, actually. So, let's see here. Maybe I can just push it like that. So,
That's 4.
yeah.
So that's the feet. If you want to move the drawers, it will not have a scratch on the floor. Right, love?
Yeah.
For protection for the floor.
So, what is
Step
the next step?
12.
12. Put on the top. Put in the screws, in the 4 screw in the top.
Yeah.
And then you should raise it up in 14 and put the plugs in. So let's do that first.
Okay.
Yep. So
That's
that's the last piece here in
what's that,
the top.
the first box.
Here in the first box.
So we are almost done in the first box.
Yeah, exactly. This is the last piece.
Yeah, this is the last piece.
In the first box. 4 of these.
So Christopher gonna put the screws.
In the small hole.
So this time you need a screw machine.
You can screw it by hand, but I think this is better.
So yeah. And then Christopher is always want to make sure if the screws are tight.
Yeah. And this here. I don't
The
know.
hole?
Maybe is this for us? Maybe this is for the wall. To make it, yeah, this is for securing it in the wall. So we can,
Skip.
no, we can,
You will do.
we can put them there so it's done. If we feel we want to
You want
secure,
to mount on the wall. Is it mount, love? No.
yeah, secure it in the wall.
Really, the IKEA products are really the bomb. It's cheap and then the quality is really good. Love, you will put hole there? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Good.
Oh, it doesn't say anything. We should just,
Ah, it's already, there's a mark already. Okay, I am wrong. Sorry. They put already marks here. So you can put the screw if you want to, what's that, to attach on the wall.
yeah, so it will not tip over.
Yeah. And then,
Can leave it a little loose, I think. It's good. So, we need 4 plugs. Bring 4
we should bring that one, the screws there.
Just, then
Because,
maybe it's good to assemble the drawers here. Let's see when we come to that step. Can you tell me maybe? How, I need to put plugs or what? Yeah, you need plugs in the, looks like outer corners.
Where is the outer corners?
Because there's a hole here. That's for
Ah,
the attachment thing. So you cannot put plug there in that hole. You need plug in the outer holes. Starting to feel solid actually. Before it's like loose.
and then that one goes here.
And then this one is that.
Love, the hole is here.
Yeah.
So, wow.
Can you guess the next step now, baby?
The next step is the drawers.
No, we need to secure here.
Huh?
Secure with the special nut.
Ah,
again.
okay. So that one, the small nuts.
Let's see if I'm right. Yes.
Yes.
15, we just did 15. Then 16, we need 4 of the big.
Ah, there's still big ones.
To screw in.
Okay.
We'll get those.
Now it's drawers. Filmar du?
Yeah.
Oh, can you
So
see?
we are done.
We are done with the...
Christopher
next-
doesn't want to mount it in the on the wall.
Oh, maybe. Let's feel. But next step now is to mount all the drawers. And then put the drawers in the cabinet. But it's a lot of mounting here. So you can put it in place now first.
A lot of screws, my god. I told you we need to bring the screws here. Oh my god, they are so strong. Push it. Wow, we super perfect.
More
Wow.
How is this? Oh.
There's a walk-in closet there too. But this is so Buban's drawers.
But it's not.
I think it's fine, love, if you don't attach it on the wall. Hello?
Vi får kolla sen.
So we're gonna put screws on the, what's that? Drawers.
Yeah, a lot of drawers.
A lot. Okay, let's start.
Yeah, we are at what's that step? We will wait with attaching in the wall. We will check first how it feels. Then step 20 is start to assemble the drawers. Put plugs. Oh. We'll bring inside.
Are you sure, or we're gonna just sit here? What? So are you ready?
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of pieces here. We need to figure out what is what. Where is that something? Put plugs.
So Christopher figure it out. What is what?
I think so.
So
Let's see, let's put the plug there.
put the plug
And then we
there.
put the plug there.
So how many?
Two
Of
there.
those?
And then there is this 4 of these. Maybe. It looks like this, right?
I think so too.
Yeah, there.
I
And then and that one. And then that's there and there, because it's a big hole there, so and then we need to put this thing in.
There's nothing in there.
This one. Two in this, I guess.
Screw again.
Yeah.
So the other side.
But I don't know. There's a small one, is it? This one is too.
Wait guys, I'm getting tired.
You cannot hold on now.
Yeah,
You need fika.
I need fika. So Christopher screw on the what's that? In the small holes. He'll leave these big holes. So tighten up. The usual Christopher style. He wants to secure.
So this is two, like this. But
And then
there
which
should be this one.
which
baby.
step is that? This is the step
21. This one,
21.
we need to put in these two here too.
I'll screw again. Oh my god. I think in Philippines you need a carpenter to do this.
We need this one. What is this? That's the same again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm yawning. Oh my gosh. So that's it. On the other side.
So then there is we need to put like this.
So, what are you doing right now?
We are trying to assemble the big-
Drawers.
one of the there's three big drawers,
Mm.
and then there is two smaller. So then we need this small one.
Screw again. No need to use machine.
No.
I think it's fika time.
Then they will slide in.
They will slide in, slide out, slide in.
Like this.
Oi, and then, wow. That's like a, is it a plywood lab or like a board?
Yeah, plywood.
Nice.
Then the back piece will go on. Is this a back piece? Yes.
And then screw. Which
Then
screw?
there is a plastic
This one.
thing that you bang inside.
Huh?
Yeah. And for the first time, I think we need to use the hammer.
And then this time, we need a hammer to bang. Because you cannot bang by your hands without hammer. So he's doing the same thing on the other side. So, wow.
So that's one drawer.
This is the biggest drawer, love.
Yeah, 3 of this, and then
3
there's.
of this and then
small.
2 smalls. So 5 drawers.
But there is another step here. You need to flip it around.
There's a hole, love. I think you need to put something in there.
And then there is this thing here.
What?
There's these things that they put like this.
Ah, like support.
Yeah, to support down. But
Maybe you will put
there
what's
is
that?
no marking here.
You will put a gold bars there for the support. Maybe it doesn't matter, love.
Yeah, no, but in the picture
Yeah.
there's a mark like in the middle.
Ah, but there's no marks that one.
That's 1 minus for IKEA.
1 minus for IKEA. Christopher said. You should promote IKEA, eh? Don't say negative. What's that? Review. But I think all in all is everything is
Maybe they forget that step. Let's do one of the small.
okay. We'll do one of the small. We will do the same thing what he did on the first drawer, the big drawer. Just put. So.
And this one is
Why there's no? Nay, you're wrong.
that one. So
Mm-hmm.
then
One of the board
insert.
flying.
Oh, sorry, the thing first. This first.
Lock it in.
Yep, lock it in. This was more complicated than the John Axel, right?
Yeah. John Axel is so easy. It was so easy, and this one is. So we're gonna assemble. Christopher will assemble everything. These drawers. I will not to show you everything one by one because it's the same procedure. Is it right, love?
Yeah.
So we'll get back to you later. So we're gonna have a break. We're gonna eat the the cake, the leftover cake from yesterday. Yeah, and then Christopher will drink tea, and then I'm gonna drink carbonated water. Is it carbonated, love? No, sparkling water. Okay, sparkling water. Yeah, and this is the leftover. I'm gonna slice it.
So we are back. We ate cake and then Christopher had what's that, tea, and then he made the 4 drawers, and then he is screwing a thing to support under the what's it called? Under the drawers. He's gonna do this all of the
In all of the
on all of the drawers. So the IKEA didn't put marks on here where to screw.
They didn't make center line.
Yeah,
in the
center
in the
line,
picture there
then-
is a center line.
I think you just need to do it by yourself if there is no markings.
It's not super important, but
Yeah, but it's good to
It's
like
more-
put
nice
it in
to-
the middle.
Yeah.
So that's it. That's it. We will just do the same thing.
I will try with by hand one time here.
Okay. So if you have a lot of time, free time, you can do it by your hands manually. But if you are on the rush, maybe it's good to use the screw machine. Less effort too. Right?
No, it's hard to.
Yeah, I think it's better to use the machine. If you have machine.
Maybe when IKEA is already in Manila, right?
Yes?
But maybe
I don't know, maybe
Yeah.
not all the products
no, I think it's.
we
it's
have
a-
here in Sweden, they have to. I don't know.
I think so. It's the biggest warehouse, right, in the
Yeah,
whole
yeah, it's the
world.
biggest.
IKEA, is it?
Yeah, in Philippines. I'm
But,
curious,
what
love. I
is-
want to go there.
Yeah, me too. We
Just
checked
to
the
check.
menu. Remember?
Yeah, we checked the.
The menu in the restaurant in Manila, and then they have what's that? Filipino.
Yeah, for sure. They're not gonna. What's that, love? They're not gonna sell Swedish food for sure. What?
No, but they have the meatballs, right?
Yeah, they have
But they make
meatballs.
Asian alternatives
Alternatives, yeah.
to their.
And me and Christopher usually not usually, but if we want to eat like not fast food, we usually eat in IKEA. It's more cheaper, and then it's more healthy. Not unhealthy food. Same with McDonald's.
Yep.
And the price is really good. One meal here in Sweden, I think it's 95 in McDonald's, 95 SEK, and that is like almost 500 pesos. And then in IKEA, you can eat only 65 blab, no? 65 SEK. So
something like
I think that's like 300 pesos per meal. And then with the free drinks, Coca-Cola, what's that?
Milk,
Sparkling
juice.
water, juice, coffee. It's a free coffee, right?
I think if you are from IKEA,
If you are a member of
something,
IKEA,
which is free to be member,
Yeah.
so you just get a card.
yeah. And then you can make refill. I'm just joking. No, there's no refill, I think. But if you are not honest, you can you can go there and then refill. But no one is like a staff that is controlling the machine lab for the soft drinks. Because here in Sweden, all the people here in Sweden are honest. So next,
So they start up, putting the drawers, then they put this plastic thing in. I think it's so the drawer will not slide out.
oh,
So there's a stop. That's what I believe.
Okay, we're gonna go to the other room.
Yeah, let's bring small drawer.
So we have here the small drawers.
No, this
Is it small?
this is small. Whoa, it's
Wow.
hitting. Big drawer.
There's big drawers starting from down. Wow. Nice.
This thing here.
See, I'm right. So the plastic screws, the big plastic screws goes in there.
Yeah, so it will stop.
That's like a stopper.
Yeah, stop there.
The small one. And then you need to screw. You need to do this on all the, what's that? Drawers. Just to be safe.
This is shaper. I mean, the one that I have inside in the other room.
There you have the big ones there.
Yeah, big one. It's more.
Wider and then
Yeah, this is like a plastic
made
sliding.
of
I
plastic.
think the other one is
Like wood.
metal or wood or I don't know. It feels a little more solid. This is a shaper, but this is the only one that we can find to
To
fit
fit
in
in
here
the, yeah.
because the other one are too wide and then they are too deep,
Deep, yeah.
so we cannot open the.
The cooking closet.
Yeah.
You hold.
Again. So we are done, and then this is the drawers. This is the kullen drawer.
Kullen.
Kullen, paulit-ulit. And then what can you say about this product of IKEA? Are they this is like easy to assemble or not?
No, I don't know. It's always a lot of steps.
It's
But
a little complicated.
a lot of pieces.
A little complicated from the start.
Yeah,
I
you
think.
need to be patient
Yeah.
and do step by step. You
Yeah.
will figure it out.
Oh. And then I think the quality is nice.
I think the quality is not, it's not a super high.
You pay, you get what you
get
pay
what
for.
You pay for.
That's it. You get what you pay for. And then this cost how much?
So, I don't know. I can check.
Like 5,000 pesos?
700, 800. I don't know.
Oh, 700 sec. Maybe.
Let's see.
$700 Oh, your phone is not moving. So that's it. Christopher is checking how much the price of these drawers.
995.
Oh, 995. That is like 5,000 pesos, I think.
No.
I'm guessing 5,000. Christopher is converting into
5,280.
oh 5,200. It's quite in Swedish money. It's like not so cheap, but it's cheap. But in Philippine money, I think that is expensive. I think, but I have no idea. But 5,000 is expensive for one row. What's that?
No, maybe we can check in IKEA Philippines
Oh,
to see the.
yeah. So that's
Now
it.
we only
will have
clean up.
what's that? We will clean up and then lab for the thumbnail.
You.
Yeah. Okay. See you in my next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye.